Hi there, I'm Cozy. The first thing that we are gonna prepare is circles. And you wanna do running stitch 0.5 centimeters away from the edge so that we can make a ruffle. Maybe we are gonna stuff it inside. Now pull. Add a little more, so now create a knot. Our next step is take a red circle to make our petal. We can do the same thing with it. How many red circles? 8. Next, what you want to do is take a green square and fold it in half diagonally. Then fold it again. So now you want to do running stitch. We don't need to make a knot, and we're just gonna take next square to combine them. Take your glue and put the flower on it and the others. Let's stitch the petals to fix them. Now flip it and take a square. Then fold the edges and put it on the pincushion. So now stick some pins. Now let us stitch all the way around. Although this project is not difficult, but it may take longer than our previous pincushion project, right? Thank you for watching me. See you next video. Bye!